Hey guys, so you're maybe at the point where you're ready to do this performance assessment here in this week 3 playlist, okay? And you clicked right here to watch the video that you're currently in. So you've done the right thing. Awesome, thank you, okay? Now, whenever you see performance assessment on a playlist, that means that I'm taking it for a grade, okay? So you'll click here, you'll go to your no red ink, which yours will look a little different than mine, but you'll go to no red ink. And basically what's going to happen is you guys are going to be taking a growth test. So it's going to be a lot like your pre-test, okay? If you want to review any material before you do this performance assessment and you maybe want to do more practice, just raise your hand and let me know and I can send it to you in no red ink, okay? But if you feel ready, you can click on this and get going, all right? Show me your score when you're finished, okay? And if you don't get a score that you like, then we can talk about what you need to do in order to retake the test, okay? But remember that these performance assessments, whenever you see these, they are for a grade. That will always be true. Performance assessments will always be for a grade, and they might look a little different every week. So only do this when you're ready, okay? When you are finished with performance assessments, you will go to enrichment activities. And what these are essentially like deeper learning activities. So everything you've done, you've maybe went this deep in your knowledge. On enrichment activities, you get to go a little bit deeper. And so here you have a grammar hyperdoc. There's instructions in there for you guys to follow. And that's pretty much it. Okay, this is going to be the first thing that gets graded all year. So good luck and let me know if you need help.